that sound is so amazing, bro. That Acura. Suno. Ba. Symphony that Acura is. Haha. Everyone, this is Ditya and you're watching Ditya and welcome back to my channel. S1000 is out today and we are going to KBR parking number 1 kadak chai peene ke liye and meeting my good friend Sami bhai who bought a Gixxer 1000 with an Acura Power-Edge. Woo! Acura Power-Edge. तो वहीं KBR जाने का प्लान है bro. I miss these kind of rides man. इतने हर बार so I already had a superbike earlier Z900 so I was a part of a lot of groups. So गाड़ी कहीं बोल के they didn't remove me out of those groups, but I was still a part of those groups. जब ये लोग जब meet up करते थे गाड़ी थे ना, I used to like see the messages, be like, oh इतने लोग मिल रहे हैं and all that. So losing touch, जो touch खो गया था ना मेरा touch. So it's not because गाड़ी की वजह से मेरे दोस्त थे वो, they were still my friends, but we still used to meet and all that. But then भाई अब अजीब लगता है भाई, you go on an adventure and they have all like thousands boosas and all that and you kind of feel out, kind of, मतलब personality wise नहीं but bike wise तो adventure गाड़ी किधर, super sport किधर and all that. So now we are in the same league back again with the S1000. Dude, every time I turn this bike on now I feel like bhai, good job, you made it bro, good job. The excitement man, कितना कुछ करना पड़ता मालूम, कितना कुछ bro. It's just like the cost of owning this bike is very cheap. I'll tell you this right now. You just pay like X amount to the showroom and you can get the bike home. But घर पे लाने के बाद bro, फिर hidden cost, खर्चे, ये वो बला बत्ता. I told myself, dude, when I get this bike ना, एक 2-3 लाख account में ऐसे ही पड़े रहना bro. Like just like that, I should be able to cover every expense this bike gives me bro. So I don't care about petrol rates anymore bro. 113, 115, 200. We just wanna do this. We just wanna do this with the S1000 man. And to get to this stage, you gotta work really hard man. Work really hard, do like make smart moves, make smart investments, and then you wait. And then the power of compounding hits you. And when the power of compounding hits you, you hit the throttle. Dude, it might sound so easy to you guys. भाई ये लोग इतने एक महीने से S1000 बोल रहा था, एक महीने में गाड़ी आ गई. The background work, dude. The background work is just too much. The flick of the throttle, bro. Just a flick of the throttle. You just point. अब मैं वो क्या? You just point and this bike goes. You just point. I just want to go there, point and just do this. Point and just do that. बस खत्म. Just point and bounce, man. That's it. So nimble, so agile, so controlled, bro. This bike is. Like, wow. How can... Okay, God made human made S1000. I love human. That's the relation. Oh, dude. I'm telling you guys. Alak nasha hai bro. It's a drug brand. I'm telling you, you guys do cocaine, LSD and all that, dude. Ganja, alcohol and all that. Sit and do this. Sit and do this. Just sit. So yeah, now the plan is to go to KBR parking number 1, kadak chai पीने के बाद then we'll see वहाँ से कहाँ bounce होने का है. I am so excited to meet everyone man. यासिर भाई से मिलना है मेरे को, अलमदार से मिलना है मेरे को. अलमदार से तो मैं 2-3 बार ही मिला. I'm like that guy man, that guy is another person altogether. तो उससे मिलना है मेरे को. And Sami bhai with the GSXR, I'm coming for that Acura bro. I'm coming for that Acura. बस 2 मिनट है. और डूड ये रास्ता मेरे को एडवेंचर में आने के लिए कितना टाइम लगता था, ये गाड़ी में खाली 2 थ्रॉटल में आ गए ब्रो. ओनली 2 थ्रॉटल्स एंड वी आर एट KBR. ओनली 2 थ्रॉटल्स बस. What's up? Thank you, thank you.
ठीक हुई नहीं?
नहीं, it still have cold man. Weather change वाला. Cold bro. खुशी का बुखार, cold का बुखार उल्टा भैया.
I told her meet me in the back, that I fat and she don't know how to act. When she back that thing up on that, it's a rap. I'm just tryna hit it once, I'ma take it to the back. Think she came in with a man, but she leaving with me, yeah. Cause she know that I'm the man. Said she got a plan and she know me from the gram. Oh man, I think she might could be a fan. Made me think twice, so it might could be a scam. Oh yeah, might be fire. But one thing I hate is a liar. Cause I don't know who you was prior. Tryna set it up, you could try, but whoa, these they ain't love you. Probably took your number, but you know I won't call you. Rather stay on point, cause I can't fall for you. They said you run the world, can't let it control you or destroy you, yeah. I love all women, I'm 10 steps ahead when I know what y'all doing. Yeah, he a nice guy, but you won't talk to him. Unless he got cash, then you probably gon' screw him. I told her meet me in the back, that I fat and she don't know how to act. When she back that thing up on that, it's a rap. I'm just tryna hit it once, I'ma take it to the back. Think she came in with a man, but she leaving with me, yeah. Cause she know that I'm the man. Said she got a plan and she know me from the gram. Oh man, I think she might could be a fan. Made me think twice, so it might could be a scam. Oh yeah.
This is my second fuel up on the tank. It's still has 60 kilometers to go, but I'm like, कल मेरे को थोड़ा काम है and I'll not find time, so I'm doing it right now. Petrol कम हो गया 130 bro. Nice. Yeah, sure. The capacity is 16.5 liters and mileage is coming up to like 10-12, but who talks about mileage on a bike like this, dude? So I don't even bring that topic up. I'm like full tank to full. मैं पहले बोला ना bro वीडियो में कि I saved money separately just for expenses bro. So अब ये सब मेरे को फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. 130, 140, 150 also it doesn't pinch my pocket at all because planning ऐसी थी bro. It was like a well structured plan. Full system आ गया, full system आ गया, full system आ गया. अब में exhaust नहीं है bro. The bike will be like that only. तो ये अलमदार भाई है. Not the owner, but a good friend. कभी कभी आ जाओ. He has a Ducati Hypermotard. उनकी गाड़ी वहाँ पे है. I'll show you his bike. But then, look at this beauty, man. And look at that. And look at this same league, same class. That is German. This is Japanese. Man, I am legit scared to ride this road. अंदर से डर बोलते ना. I have that to ride this bike. You need serious balls to ride a Gixxer, dude. Seriously, personally बोल रहा हूँ मैं. It does.
You know Adish Sharma?
Yeah.
From my college. I'm from MJ.
Oh, you're from MJ. Okay. Yeah. He must be your senior.
Yeah?
He must be your because he graduated.
Senior. I know you. You bought a new iPhone.
Yeah, that's the bike. Yeah. Thanks so much, man. Have a good day. Bye. Yeah. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care. Yeah. See you. Dude, people know the bike through someone else's stories these days. S1000 power, bro. This bike suits you so good, dude. It's like it's meant for you, bro.
Hopefully this will be my next bike.
Oh, yeah, dude, it fits. Yeah, dude, it's like the bike is made for you. You're not made for the bike, bro. Get that sound. That sound is so amazing, bro. That Acura. Suno. Ba. Symphony that Acura is. Haha. My bike is like an electronic bike, dude. It doesn't make any sound at all. Lol. I'll teach you the difference between cost of owning and cost of operating. ठीक है? So cost of owning an S1000RR is 28 lakhs. Cost of operating an S1000RR is there is no value to cost of operating because आप क्या करते हैं उसके ऊपर आपके ऊपर है bro. So it took me 4 years not just to like own this bike but to save enough to operate this bike. So whatever it is, man, you're buying a house, you're buying a phone, you're buying a car, you're buying anything, dude. The cost of owning that आपको मालूम रहता, but cost of operating is that hidden expenses, छोटी चीज़ें you will never know. For example, fuel, bro. अब इसका fuel 120 है, 130 है, 140, 150, 180. It doesn't pinch me because I have money saved up for like fuel, for exhaust, for tank pad, grips, etc., and some more left out for emergency expenses. God forbid bike accident नहीं होना. अगर वो हुआ तो भी I have enough money to like wiring करा सकते हो. Engine down हुआ था, I can do that. So उतना पैसा है, bro. So that is the thing that you learn today. You learn something new every day. Whenever you want to buy something or you want to own something, don't think about cost of owning. Think of cost of operating. And now let's hit it. Let's hit it hard out.
3s on my feet, ring the bell, buzz 4. Got 5 on it, boy, you gon' need a couple more. 6 p.m. now we headed out the door. Lucky number 7, yo, meet up on A Street. Chanel number 9, got her smelling like a pastry. Now we on 10, she was rolling up a great tree. Pouring up shots, don't chase me. I got asthma, she was tryna be my babe, ain't no temper. Don't think about it too much like Sanford. I ain't got nothing for.
I told her meet me in the back, that I fat, and she don't know how to act. When she back that thing up on that, it's a rap. I'm just tryna hit it once, I'ma take it to the back. Think she came in with a man, but she leaving with me, yeah. Cause she know that I'm the man. Said she got a plan, and she know me from the gram. Oh man, I think she might could be a fan. Made me think twice, so it might could be a scam.
Bro, you didn't drive, bro. Scary, huh?
ऐसा करे तो सब भाग रही bro.
Yeah. You did a wheelie, did you understand? You did a wheelie, do you know that?
I did.
You popped one, dude. So this is KBR parking 3. यहाँ पे अच्छा फोटोशूट कर सकते हैं आप. वहाँ नीचे रख के मैं किया अभी, मैं रील्स भी डाल दिया, तो देखो वो इंस्टाग्राम पे अब तक आगे रहेंगे. So वहाँ पे फोटोशूट करते हैं, मान लो का बेड क्लियर फोटो. यहाँ पे चिचास भी है, so you can eat food, बिरयानी भी आप वहाँ अंदर जा सकते हैं खाने के लिए. So this parking 3 like a cool chill spot for हैदराबाद में. Parking 1-2 भी है. So 2 was the one where I shot the GSXR. तो अब यहाँ से जा रहे, met everyone, felt happy, saw the bike. Amazing, missed हो गया पूरा. Let's go, let's get home. Time 1-2 बज रहे, I think 1:30. That's the thing with this man. Like when you meet people, you don't know what the time is. And I'll tell you one thing amazing about this bike. When you turn it on, the suspension that is stiff, and when you turn it on electronically, it like adjusts आप कैसा बैठ रहे क्या कर रहे. And then when you keep riding in dynamic mode, every 0.5 or like 1 second or like the exact number, I really don't know, like some milliseconds, it keeps on adjusting according to the road. So अभी अगर stiff है, cruise है and all that, so electronically automatically adjust होते रहता है. Like it does those many calculations on its own. Let's go. मेरे साथ आशीष भैया भी है. आशीष भैया, मेरी गाड़ी पीछे नहीं जा रही, अब जा रही. I like this dash, but I love this one. So this is my dash, the dash. This one is the best dash. So let's go. Alright, have a good night, have fun. I'll see you in the next one.